Check out our newest feature release. This one is on the new updated Workflow Builder. So, what is the new Workflow Builder? Well, one of the things that I love about the new Workflow Builder is that it provides a dynamic, expansive workspace for effortless workflow creation and management. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. This new feature is going to allow you to utilize infinite canvas with fit to screen and zoom in and zoom out controls. Basically, you can move all around, you're not forced into one area, and it's really easy to use. It's also going to allow you to quickly add triggers and actions with the new Add New Trigger and Plus buttons. It's also going to allow you to test workflows seamlessly with the Test Workflow button, View Detail Stats, and Stat Views so that you can save changes with ease. So first, I want you to navigate to the automation area in the left-hand menu and then create a new workflow. First, you're going to go to automation. You're going to make sure that you're in the workflow area, and then you're going to click plus create workflow. For this example, we're going to go ahead and start from scratch. Now we're going to navigate the infinite canvas layout. Click the fit to screen and the zoom in and zoom out buttons and see how that works. Now to add a new trigger, it's super simple. You're going to add a trigger by clicking the Add New Trigger button, and as always, you can add as many as you'd like. Now we're going to go ahead and select a trigger, which is super easy. You'll notice that there are a lot of updated triggers in here. Definitely keep checking back because these are growing. Now, to add a new action, you're going to notice the new plus that is below your triggers. Once you hover over that, you're actually going to see the add action pop up so that you know what you're hovering over. And from there, you're simply going to select the appropriate action of what you would like to happen next. One of the things that I love about this new workflow builder is you can easily enable Stat View, which is going to allow you to see absolutely amazing detailed statistics. So this is what those statistics are going to look like, both on email and on SMS. Now, as always, you definitely want to test your workflow. These testing options are a little more in depth. Run that test to initiate testing. Select a contact and click Run Test to go ahead and test this new workflow. Just like before, make sure to save your workflow. This is super important. I like to tell you, the system is going to remind you, but just in case, make sure you always save. Save, save, save. One of the things I love is the new View Version History option. That is in the upper right-hand corner next to the Save button. It looks a little bit like a timer clock. When you click that, you'll be able to see the View History area on the left side of your menu. And now you can actually go back to a previous history. The last step, as always, is to publish or, if need be, switch back to draft. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.